If you want to customize your quick settings on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. First of all, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. So now, in order to customize them, we're gonna tap on this pencil icon. So first of all, you can press edit and you can touch and move buttons. For example, if you don't want to use your icon potential, simply press minus. And for example, you want to have your take screenshot button, so edit. You can rearrange it, so you can hold your finger on it and rearrange it. Press down when you are satisfied. Also, you can rearrange the place of those icons. Easy as that. And basically, that's how it works. That's all what you can do for now. Also, you can press panel settings and enable your separate or together mode. And tap down at the top right corner when you're done, and that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.